Go.
You ready? Sure. Tom, you ready?
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, but Jansen's done. Oh no, yeah. High five, good shit. You burp.
Yeah.
Well done.
Told you.
And now, the commentary.
So background is drinking, dude. It's all about like how you open the door. Like the job. Hey, don't start recording too. Look at these sticks that I just cooked. Yeah, that's fine. That's about it. Huh? Over here. Sticks that I cooked. This is Janet, by the way. She couldn't hang.
What do you want me to look at?
These steaks right here that I cooked. You and me, man. Good job, though. That's some good shit, man. Like a mix that with some A1 sauce. There's a secret little stuff that I put in. It's a couple spices. There's one spice that not a lot of people use on steaks, which makes it really tasty. Right now I'm cooking some rice and corn. And actually, like a lot of people like with rice and corn stuff, you know, the soy sauce is good. If you don't have any soy sauce, you can't find out you don't have any soy sauce. I kind of like to get that tang to it with a little twist. Put some lemon pepper in there. Just put a little tang right on top. Throw it up, and you mix it up with a little bit of margarine. Not just butter, it's margarine. And you got yourself a good meal.